If you're having trouble logging into an inactive Epic Games account, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into your account as quickly as possible. We're going to cover the most common causes first, including password issues, browser login problems, VPN conflicts, and a simple restart that can often clear temporary sign-in errors. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes and gaming account guides. Let's get into it. First, the most important thing to check is your email and password. A lot of login problems happen because the password is simply incorrect, outdated, or the account is tied to an email address that you no longer use. Go ahead and make sure you're entering the exact email linked to your Epic Games account. Then type your password carefully and double check for caps lock, extra spaces, or spelling mistakes. If you're not sure the password is correct, use the password reset option right away and create a fresh one. This is one of the quickest ways to rule out a basic sign-in problem. After that, try logging in from a browser instead of the app or launcher. Sometimes the Epic Games login page works better in a web browser because it bypasses local app issues, cached data, or launcher glitches. Open your preferred browser, go to the Epic Games sign-in page, and try logging in there using your same account details. If the browser login works, that usually means the issue is with the app, not the account itself. If it still doesn't work, move on to the next fix. Next, disable your VPN if you're using one. Epic Games can sometimes flag logins coming from unusual or changing network locations, and a VPN can definitely interfere with the sign-in process. Turn off your VPN completely, then try logging in again. If you're on a school's, work, or shared network, that can also cause issues, so switching to your regular home connection may help. The goal here is to make sure Epic Games sees a stable and normal connection when you sign in. If you're still getting the inactive account login issue, restart your PC and try again. This might sound simple, but it can fix temporary session problems, broken authentication data, and background processes that are preventing Epic Games from signing in properly. Close the Epic Games launcher, shut down your browser, restart your computer, and then try logging in once more. In many cases, a clean restart is enough to refresh everything and clear the error. If none of those steps work, go back and test each one again carefully. Make sure your password is updated, use a browser, disable any VPN, and restart your device before trying one more time. Also, check whether your Epic Games account may need email verification or additional security confirmation, because sometimes an account looks inactive when it actually just needs a quick account recovery step. And if you're locked out completely, the next best move is to contact Epic Games support with your account email and as much information as possible so they can help confirm ownership and restore access. The key is to work through the simplest fixes first, because most inactive account login issues come down to a password mismatch, browser problem, VPN interference, or a temporary system glitch. I hope this video helped you fix your Epic Games inactive account login issue. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more gaming account fix guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.